Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by getting the essentials ready. You need Windows Bluetooth active and Airpods charged. You pair like any headset, but first update your PC Bluetooth drivers so codecs work properly. Once done, open the Airpods case near the PC and press the pairing button. Windows should show Airpods. You do this now to avoid audio delays later, because outdated drivers or low battery cause dropouts and poor microphone routing. After the initial connection, you must choose the correct profiles. Windows offers stereo for high-quality audio and hands-free for microphone use. You typically set stereo for game sound and switch to hands-free for voice chat. This avoids the low-quality mic codec when gaming. Make sure Windows sound settings assign Airpods as both default playback and default communication device, and then test in-game audio and microphone in your game's audio options to confirm latency and voice clarity. To finish, optimize for low latency. If your built-in Bluetooth is weak, use an external USB adapter that supports aptX low latency or high-quality codecs. This reduces lip sync issues. Also, if the Airpods microphone is unreliable, use a dedicated USB or desktop mic while keeping Airpods for game audio to maintain quality. If problems persist, restart the Bluetooth service, unpair and repair, and ensure firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.